Hey, you guys, Shayla C. Smart here, and I am back with another video. And in this video, I want to share with you how to make some pocket money or pocket cash, extra income. So these sites that I share with you today, not going to necessarily be something that you can do and quit your main source of income, but they are reward sites. So you're able to earn some gift cards in cash, some pay cash, and make some additional income. And if you follow a strategy that I teach, which I share through my email newsletters. The link is below to sign up and get on the email list if you're not already a part of the OIV Online Income Vault community. You want to do so because I share these tips and more every single Friday in an email, and we're revamping and updating it. And it's now called Pocket Money because I'm sharing ways with you that you can jump on these quick websites by doing the things that you already do every single day. So whether you're shopping for groceries, picking up dinner, buying food for your pets, toys for your pets, playing games online, or simply just doing things on the internet. You're just searching the internet. There are so many websites that are legit and pay out cash and gift cards for doing simple tasks like opening emails, playing games, watching videos, allowing them to monitor how you use the internet. And these sites are legit and safe. And I ask always that you do your own due diligence, but I wanted to share with you a couple of these sites. So hello, hi. I'm just going to go over these four sites that I have for you today. I'm going to show you the websites, what they look like, so you know you're on the right track when you get there at the time of this recording, because websites, it's the internet. They're always updating and changing their interface, but you can go directly to the description box below under this video and grab the links that will take you directly to the site. So you don't have to worry about Googling and searching. Just click my links below and it will take you directly to the website. And some links, if you use the links that I have provided, some of them will give you additional bonuses for signing up just because you used my link. And the great thing about a lot of the pocket money bonuses or information that I share, if you refer someone else or share your links with someone else, you too will get a bonus, and they will get a bonus for signing up too. So remember, every single Friday, right inside your email box, you can get more websites like these and ways to make pocket money that are researched and vetted for you and are deemed to be legit by our research, that you can sign up to, and you can start doing simple everyday tasks right from your laptop, smartphone, or tablet, and start earning money that you can use, whether it's to save up for something big or just to have that extra money in your budget to do the fun things that you want to do. Maybe a weekend date night, maybe a movie at home that you want to buy on TV, maybe some snacks or a movie night for the family. Whatever you want to do, save it, invest it, just extra money. And it does add up over time. And if you're getting these emails every single week and they're packed with somewhere between 10 and 20 different ways to make money, then if you do those and you sign up and you spend a little bit of time every day, which is the method that I teach, take 15 to 30 minutes every single day or 3 times a week or just on Saturday mornings, and go through the sites that you have signed up for and see if there's any task or anything that you can do to get paid out. Some of these you just set them one time and they just kind of run in the background of your computer and you're still going to earn money. So take the pocket money, put it to use for you, and now you have a new way to make income. So let's jump in. So the first one we have here is called Rewardia, and they pay out in cash and gift cards. And this is what the website looks like. Very simple form to fill out. You get 100 points just for signing up. Remember, the link is below, and this tells you just a little bit about it. And if you go all the way to the bottom, there's some testimonials of people who have used it, and you can sign up. Very simple, easy to use website. And if you want to read the privacy and user agreements, those are at the bottom as well. And you can see that this is available in the UK, Canada, as well as the US. So this is a really good opportunity for those of you who live outside of the US as well. So that is a daily cash site, and it's called Rewardia. Next is get paid to scan your receipts. Now, if you have been anywhere around the Make Money Online community, then you know all about Ibotta. Ibotta has been around forever, and they are still around paying you out in cash and gift cards. But what I discovered today is that on their site, they are taking payments, or giving your payments to you through a bank account. So you can link your bank account and withdraw your money from wherever you're logged into. Do believe they still pay out in gift cards, but on here it lets you know that you can definitely get cash payouts. So what you do is you go on and you scan your receipts from your shopping trips, and as you can see, they're connected to so many stores. These are just a few, but these are major brands: hotels.com, eBay, QVC, Old Navy, Chewy, which is for pets, Walmart, Home Depot, so many. Priceline, if you're traveling and you're buying through Priceline, there's so many. They have challenges and other things that you can do. They have monthly challenges and specials. Right now, I think it's their anniversary time. So they are paying out for that as well. If you're new to Ibotta, you can definitely sign up to get $10 when you spend 30. Now, you're not spending the money to Ibotta per se, but you can look on here. When you click sign up, you'll be able to get on the inside and you'll see the different deals that they have. So for example, if you go to Walmart and you spend $30, then you can get the $10 bonus. You're already going to go grocery shopping. You're already going to go get your pet food. You're already going to go ahead and book a hotel on hotels.com. Whatever the situation is that you're already doing. That's why I say this is definitely, pocket money is all about helping you make money with things you're already doing. So if you're already shopping for groceries, picking up dinner for your family from your local fast food place or your local dine-in spot, buying stuff for your pets, playing games online, or simply just browsing and scrolling on the internet, you might as well get paid for the things you're already doing, right? So this is basically a digital coupon system that Ibotta is based off of. It has evolved and grown over the years. They have been around for several years, and so they are definitely one of the trusted sites for you to get cash back from, and you can really rack up. And again, if you share with your friends, you get a bonus for having someone else sign up under you. Remember, the link for this one is below as well, so be sure to check out Ibotta. Next, we have getting paid to review sites. User Testing is the name of the site, and they pay cash, and I believe they pay directly to PayPal. Now, there's a lot of these sites. The email that's coming out on Friday is going to have a couple more of these sites for user testing. One that I particularly love and I have used as late as last month, I was offered, I think it was $100 or $150 to do a user testing, kind of a what do they call when you go and you give information to somebody and they kind of like a group session. I can't even think of the word, but basically giving your opinion on something, and it was a two-parter. So you get I think 30% of the money up front, and then you get the remaining of the money when you do the follow-up. So they have you a lot of times go on websites and you have to talk yourself through the website. So just as if I was on the user testing website, I would be scrolling around and I would say, hey, it looks like, it's pretty simple and easy to use. I see that they have where you can change it from English to whatever language you want to use. I can find immediately where I log in. I can find immediately how I get paid to test or how to sign up. And if I am a business and I'm looking for someone to run tests on my business sites, I can see right here on this blue link, I can request a trial of how the services run. There's more information on how it works, what they do, how they target the customers, and help you in targeting your customers. And I would just talk like that. I can see that it has been used by companies like Alaska, Canva, GoDaddy, Subway, et cetera, et cetera. I can see customer stories, and I'm just walking through, talking as my screen is being recorded and my voice is being recorded, explaining what I see on the website. I did one of these not too long ago for a major airline, and I think it paid $10, and it took me less than 20 minutes to do it. I mean, when's the last time you made $10 in 20 minutes? Like, user testing. Now, again, there's other sites. There's one in particular that I use. And again, I have been reached out at least 3 times over the last couple of months because they don't have work every single day. The work comes in as you sign up and you create your profile, and then they send work to you, email saying, hey, we have a test available or user test available. See if you're a good fit. And so you just log in, you put your information in, log into the account, and if the survey or the test is still available, then you can go through the preliminary. They ask you a couple questions to make sure you qualify. And if you qualify, you go on and you do the test. Side note, pro tip, make sure that when you log in, you're always logging in from a desktop, because a lot of the sites, unless they say something specific or different, they don't work for you to do the actual testing of the site from your mobile device. Now you can sign up from your mobile device, but if you see it pop up, you receive the email saying that there's a test available, go ahead and log in through your desktop, because if you pass the preliminary couple questions they ask you to make sure you're a good fit for that particular test, it's going to immediately take you into the test, and you don't want to have to log out and then log back in. I've had to do that because I just logged in. I seen it pop up because my emails come to my phone, and I seen it pop up, so I jumped on it because I know how quick the tests go, and I had to log out and log back in on my desktop, which was fine. I was able to do it, and I was able to still get the test, and I think that's the one I did for the airline. And I just walked through the airline's website, and again, it took me maybe 20 minutes, and that could be a stretch, but it was 20 minutes and I made $10, and they pay through PayPal, most of these platforms. And it wasn't user testing that I used, although I have used user testing and done testing for them. There's another site, it will come out in the email on Friday, and they have been really busy as of lately because I've received 3 different surveys, one paying as much as $100 for a 2-parter to review a site. So be sure to get the link below, click and sign up for the email list so that you will get the next emails that come out on Friday explaining to you all of the other ways to make money. I'm going to talk about that a little more at the end. So lastly, we have a site that will pay you for using the internet. Yes, you heard me right. Get paid to use the internet. Savvy Connect. They pay through cash and gift cards. So this is the website. Here, let me just see if I can move this up a little bit for you. So Survey Savvy is the platform name. Again, the links are below, and it's Savvy Connect. So basically, they want to get to know how people use the internet. And good thing about this one is you can do it on your tablet, your smartphone, as well as your computer or desktop. And I believe this site lets you sign up for at least 3 devices. So you can get paid for 3 devices. So for every device that you use, you're going to be able to get $5 per device per month. Now let's just do some money math. Y'all know I love to do money math. So let me just go ahead and pull out my handy dandy clickety clack calculator. So you can get this calculator on Amazon. The link is below. It also comes in pink. This one is just the black and red one. And so if you have 3 devices, right? So 3 devices, you have your smartphone, you have a laptop, and you have a iPad or tablet. 3 devices, that is $5 each. So 3 devices times 5 is $15. And you're going to get that every single month. So $15, 15 times 12 months, that's an extra $180, right? Let's do it one more time to make sure I get my math right. So $15 a month for 3 devices times 12 months gives you a total of $180. So you may be saying, Shayla, $180 is not a lot of money, but that's 180 free dollars. And all you did was put a software onto your device, and they're just monitoring how people use the internet. And this is how we get a lot of the ads and a lot of the things that are made online. And I understand people are kind of tripped out about people monitoring their usage and things like that. You don't have to put it on all 3 of your devices. You can completely just put it on one. Maybe you have a child who has a cell phone, and they're not using, for instance, our kids, we are very specific with them on what they do online, the kind of information they give online, including their names, on websites and games and things that they play. So they use aliases, but they would be perfect candidates, one, because they don't use a lot of their personal information on their phones and things like that. And secondly, kids are always looking for ways to make money. So this is a great way for them to literally make $5 a month for doing pretty much nothing, just having this running in the background of their app, and you can remove it at any time. If you scroll down on this website, It talks more about data security and what they do. Again, do your own due diligence. We try to make sure we find legit sites for you, but we always want you to do your own due diligence when you are looking to sign up for any type of money makers or any type of services that you give out information. And everything you sign up for these days, you're giving out information. So make sure you're always reading the information on the websites. And they actually are a part of the Better Business Bureau. So they do have contact information as well as a 1-800 number. So seems like they have a lot of ways for you to contact them to learn more. It is on Apple and on Google. So if this email is something that you want to receive in your inbox every single week, and we do the research for you, it's absolutely free to get. Just click the link below to sign up for the email list for our online income vault community, and we will be so happy to have you and to share this information with you on more ways that you can make pocket money. Remember, these are just options. You don't have to sign up for them all. We just curate a bunch of different ways that we have researched and we have found out there online to make money, and we share them with you because we want you to be able to have another stream of income. One income stream is not enough. One income stream is irresponsible. One income stream is too close to no income streams. So for this week's email, at the time of this recording, the email coming up with our new revamped pocket money emails coming out every single Friday straight to your inbox. We're going to have the #1 survey site that I recommend to make money and get paid, because there's a lot of sites out there that say they pay you to do surveys, and while they're not all created equally, this survey site is definitely one you want to check out. It is my #1 pick for survey sites. Also in this Friday's email, I'm going to share with you one additional site for you to be able to get paid by having monitoring on your computer as you use the internet, which is similar to Savvy Connect. I'm also going to talk about 3 non-work-at-home jobs. I will have 5 daily cash sites. I gave you one just now with Rewardia, but I'm going to have 5 total, including Rewardia, that's going to be coming out on Friday's email. Also, get paid to scan your receipts. We just talked about that with Ibotta, but I'm going to share my #1 receipt scanning site that pays you in gift cards, and you can get cash gift cards as well. And I'm going to explain that in the email, and also how you can sign up and get additional points just for getting other people to sign up. I'm going to talk about the 5 highest paid typing jobs available. So those of you who want to do typing and work from home on your computer, but you don't want to be on the phone, this is another great way through typing. Also, we're going to talk about getting paid to review websites, just like user testing. I have my #1 pick. I'll be sending that out on Friday as well. And then 5 easy work-at-home jobs that anybody can apply to and get started with. So if you don't want to miss that juicy email, make sure you click the link below and sign up for Pocket Money emails. And you're not only going to get emails on Friday with all of this kind of goodness, and every week it'll be new sites, new platforms, new ways to make money, and there'll be a mixture, so there's something in there for you. Everything may not be for you that's listed, but there will be something there you can find to add to your income stream. Hope this video has been helpful. If it has, give this video a thumbs up. Make sure you hit that red subscribe button if you're not already subscribed. Thank you so much for watching. Thank you for your time. And as always, I'm looking for ways to help you earn an additional income, because one income stream is not enough. And no, I teach digital marketing and how to earn money through digital products, because if you can learn how to sell digital products, that is a skill set that will take you so far and allow you to continue to make income over and over again. And that income can add up to being a full-time income, so that you're able to do more of the things that you want to do in this lifetime and help the communities around you. You are just one skill away from changing your life. Until next time, Shayla C. Smart here. I love you and thank you for watching. I'll see you in the next video. Bye for now.